to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on the verse of Mario Takes a Walk. It sounds like it's going to be a C7, so you can put your pinky right there. And then it goes to an E minor, and then it goes back to the C, and you can just do a regular C this time, and then A minor, back to the C, and maybe towards the end of the chord you can throw on your pinky again. Back to the E, and then you go D, C again, and then B7. So you can do the B bar chord like this, but then drop this note to here. You could do it down here if you wanted. You could throw your pinky on right here if you wanted to. Anyways, those are the chords, and the rhythm, it sounds like he's kind of going like, but he's also playing on a nylon string guitar, and it sounds more aggressive. I'm not very good at the rhythm section of this song. I usually just play the lead parts. When he gets to the last chord, it sounds like he's doing something like this, where you go down, but then you come back up with your thumb, and then up. So it's a triplet. Pretty strange to do, and then thumb up and then finger up, and you could do that with your pointer finger, your middle finger, all your fingers. That's kind of weird to get used to, but the thing is, I think he just goes like all really fast right in a row, and I can't really do that. I'll have to practice it. Maybe I can do it next week. I can do like one or two. It's just pretty hard to keep going. So the lead part, pinky right here, and then the rest follows in a staircase type pattern here. And so you do like a sweep where you go all down picks, but do it kind of slow. You don't want to go, you can just go, and you don't want to hold them out like that. You want to do each individual note like that. So, and then it ends right here with your middle finger. So, and then back to there. And you got a pinky right here. So I'm pulling off with my pinky. And then, you got right here at the same time. So you're skipping over that B string. So that section sounds like this. And then you do the sweepy thing again, except I think it starts a little earlier this time. And then you hammer on with your pinky this time. And then something like that. You'll have to play along. Instead of skipping over the B this time, you're going to be skipping over the G. So you got right here. Just take that down a half step. You can do it with these two fingers, you can do it with these two. I typically do it with my middle two fingers here, the ring in the middle, because your pointer finger is going to be doing other things half the time. Yes. Good luck practicing the triplet. And good luck with the sweeping. It's a slow sweep, like I said. It's a little different. Instead of going, you're going to do it a lot slower. Good luck, sir. Good luck.